Namaskar everyone. I Gitanjali welcome you to the EVS class. Our today's topic is chapter number 7 of your book Communication. Children, during the time of this pandemic, we all are staying at our home and we all are far away from our friends and our beloved ones. But don't be disheartened. I know it's very difficult to stay away from them. We are not able to meet them. But don't be disheartened. There are so many ways of communication through which we can talk to them. Yes, communication. Communication means sharing our thoughts with each other. जैसे अगर आप किसी से कुछ कहना चाहते हो, आप किसी अपने फ्रेंड को कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हो, तो आप कैसे दोगे? या तो कॉल करके, या वीडियो कॉल, या लेटर लिखकर. यस, सो ऐसे ही अपने मैसेजेस को शेयर करना, हमारे मन में जो भी बात है उसको किसी दूसरे के साथ शेयर करना, चाहे लिखकर चाहे बोलकर, इसी को हम कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं. शेयरिंग आवर थॉट्स विद ईच अदर इज कॉल्ड कम्युनिकेशन. देयर आर मेनी मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन लाइक टीवी, मोबाइल, radio and newspaper. Today I am sending a letter to my mama because I have not met her since so long. So you must be thinking that how this letter will reach to my mama's house. Now listen to the rest of the video carefully because next I will tell you the journey of a letter. It means how a letter reaches to the person. Okay, so please watch carefully. After writing the letter, I will put this letter into an envelope. Then I will write address on the envelope. Remember that it is very important to write PIN code in the address. PIN code is a 6-digit number which helps to send the letter at the right place. All the cities have different PIN codes for their post offices. Like Rohtak's PIN code is 124001. We can write a letter on a postcard also, but postcards does not have much space, and if we are writing a letter on a postcard, then there is no need of envelope. After writing the address, I will take my letter to the post office where a stamp will be pasted on it. After stamping, I will put the envelope into a post box from where postman collect all the letter. After collecting the letters from post box, postman takes letters to the post office where all the letters are sorted out according to their destination. It means सभी लेटर्स को उनकी डेस्टिनेशन के अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग बैग्स में डाल दिया जाता है. Then these bags are sent to railway station or airport so that they can be sent to the post offices of different cities. Now, the postal vans takes these letters to the post offices from where the local postman delivers the letter to our houses. This is how the letter will reach to my mama's place. And now the journey of letter is completed. Generally, these letters take 4 to 5 days to reach. But what if I have to send a letter or any parcel and I can't wait for a long time? Then I will use speed post or courier service. Courier is a company or an employee of that company who delivers a letter and parcels from one place to another. If we have to send any letter to the other country, then we use aerogram. Children, nowadays we have such sources through which we can send our messages, photos in just few seconds. These sources are fax machine, telephones and mobile phones. Fax machine is a machine which copies the images or any document and sends it to the other fax machine through telephone's line. We can communicate through phone by doing calls, video calls, sending emails or SMS. The full form of SMS is Short Message Service. We have smartphones, computers through which we can send messages, photos and videos quickly. But what makes it possible to communicate so quickly? That is Internet. Internet is a global network of millions of computers and other electronic devices. With the Internet, it's possible to access almost any information, communicate with anyone else in the world and do much more. We can make video calls, send emails and so many other tasks through Internet. There are some other ways also through which we can communicate, like TV, radio, computer, newspaper. Okay, these are the means of mass communication. Through these means of mass communication, we can share our information with large number of people. Like newspaper, people living in different areas get to read same news through newspapers. They also get to hear the news on the radio and watch it on the television. Like nowadays we are getting so much of information about the COVID-19 through these news channels only. These means of communication helps us to stay connected with the world outside. Now let's revise whatever we have learnt today. Communication means to share our thoughts with anyone. There are many means of communication like letter, TV, radio, mobile, newspaper, etc. If we want to send letter to anyone, then we should take care of the writing correct address with correct PIN code. PIN code helps the letter to reach at its right place. For sending letter abroad, we use aerogram. For sending letters or parcels in less time, we can use speed post or courier services. Sending information to so many people at a time is called mass communication.
Now I have to go to the post office to post this letter. You also choose a mean of communication. I would suggest you to write a letter to your friend or any family member, and trust me, they will feel very happy, because the joy of sending a letter or receiving a letter is far better than sending a message or doing a video call. Trust me and do let me know how did you feel. Bye bye. Meet you next time. Till the time, do take care of yourself.